Welcome, children. How are you? All good? That's great. So, today in EVS class, we will study about magic words. Yes. Do you know, children, what are magic word? No. Do you know about magic? Do you know about magic? Yes, that's great. You know what magic can do? When you just do something and suppose something you wanted and you were not getting, but you get that thing. And suppose if you have hurt someone and your parents are about to scold you, but they never scolded you. So, how this magic can be done? This can be done with the help of magic words. Yes, children, this miracle can happen. And you know how many magic words are there? No, there are four magic words. How many magic words are there? Four magic words. Repeat after me. How many magic words are there? Four magic words. Yes, that's great. And they are sorry. Say sorry. Yes, the first one is sorry. Then the second one is thank you. Second one is thank you. Repeat after me. Thank you. And the third one is please. Third one is please. Once again, please. And the fourth one is excuse me. And the fourth one is excuse me. Yes, children, these are four magic words. These are four magic words. So, let's see where these four magic words are used. Okay? Suppose you hurt someone. If you hurt someone, obviously that will be by mistake. You won't do that intentionally. Suppose you're walking and somebody came all of a sudden running from the other side and you just hit that fellow. So it was an accident. It wasn't your mistake. You didn't do it purposely. So what will you say? You will say sorry. What will you say? Sorry. And suppose if by mistake you break something, say a water bottle or a flower pot, and your mummy starts scolding you, what have you done? How you can be so careless? How did you break that? Then what will you say? You will say sorry, and then your mama's mood will calm down slowly, 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 slowly. So instead of telling lies that no, no, I have not done, no, I wasn't done, it was done like that, it was done like this, better you say sorry. Your mommy will be in a good mood very soon. Okay, because this is a magical word and this can do a lot of magic. Okay, children, so the first magic word is sorry. Now let's see another magic word. Which magic word we will use? What are the girls doing? Oh, this girl has brought some gift for the other one. So what should you say? When you receive some gift on your birthday or other than that, what you say? Thank you. Yes, we should say thank you whenever we receive anything, no matter whether we receive a gift or any help from others, we should always say thank you. So, children, if you receive anything from others, you should say thank you. What should you say? Thank you. Whenever you get anything from others, you should say thank you. Okay, now see the next word. Now in the picture, what you can see, children? the girl is having a toy and the boy is asking for it, that can you give me? I want to play with this. But the girl is holding the toy. So what should the boy say so that the girl can give him the toy? Yes, he should say please. He should say please. So same way, if you want anything from your parents or from anyone, you should always use the word please. Suppose if you want an ice cream to eat and your mummy is not allowing you to get that, so what will you say? Just say, mummy, please, I want to have ice cream. Please give me ice cream. Please, 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 please. And then you will see what the magic will happen. She will give you the ice cream. Okay, so this is a magic word. So what should you say if you want something? Say please. Say please. And when you pray to God, then also what should you say? Yes, we should say, please God, help me with this work so that I can study well. Right? Close your eyes, join your hands, and then you pray to God. Na? Then always use the word please whenever you are praying to God. Okay? So the third magic word is please. The third magic word is please. Now let's move forward and see the last magic word. Now see here, children, what can you see? Two boys were talking together and the girl came and she wanted to talk to them. So what should she say? Yes, she should say, excuse me. Because she is interrupting in between. So she should say, excuse me, and then say whatever she want to say. She shouldn't come running, and no matter what the other two were talking and start saying whatever she wanted to say. No, this is bad. Like sometimes it happens at home also, your mummy and daddy are sitting together and they are talking, or any other elder person, say grandmother and your mummy, or say your grandfather and your daddy, everybody is sitting together and talking and you have to say something. Then what will you say? You will say, excuse me. What will you say? Excuse me. And sometimes what happens? Your daddy is talking to someone in the phone and you have to say something. You come running and start saying, daddy, daddy, listen to me. Daddy, daddy, listen to me. But then what your father says? Shh, means wait for a while. Let me finish the call, then I will speak to you. So before shouting and screaming that daddy, daddy, listen to me, you should say, excuse me, daddy, or excuse me, Papa, I want to talk to you. Then your father will speak to you after some time. So this word will do magic. This word will do magic. And what is the word? Excuse me. What is the word? Excuse me. So hope you all have learned all the 4 magical words that where they are supposed to use. Okay, so let's revise one more time. Repeat after me. Okay, let's revise again. How many magic words are there? There are 4 magic words. There are 4 magic words, and they are sorry, thank you, please, and excuse me. Once again, sorry. We use sorry when we hurt someone or make any mistake. Okay, we use the word sorry when we hurt someone and make any mistake. And when we get some gift from others or receive something from others, then what should we say? We should say thank you. We should say thank you. And whenever you want something, then what should you say? Please. Say please. And when two people are talking and you have to say something in between, always use the word excuse me. Always use the word excuse me. So children, I hope you all have understood all the magic words. So keep revising and learn all the 4 magic words, okay? And use them in your day-to-day life. By then, bye-bye.